Hi, I'm Alex Desario, here with Marissa and Caitlin of our customer service team. We have some really exciting news to share with you.
Chem-Dry recently commissioned a leading independent air quality lab to conduct a study using our hot carbonating extraction cleaning process in several homes.
They found that our process removes on average 98% of common household allergens from the carpets and upholstery we clean.
The test included cat and dog dander as well as the dust-mite allergen. What really impressed me was how much our carpet cleaning can affect indoor air quality.
As bacteria builds up in our carpets, they get stirred up by activity and movement in the room, circulating into the air that we breathe. When paired with our sanitizer, the hot carbonating extraction cleaning process was found to remove an average of 89% of airborne bacteria, significantly improving household air quality and health.
We pride ourselves in cleaning for the health of your home and family, with green certified cleaners and a quick drying process. Your healthy home starts here.